Good morning, students. Have a nice day. In our last class, we have just discussed about constructing a quadrilaterals where three sides and two included angles are given, or two angle and three sides are given. So today we'll discuss about the constructing of quadrilateral of different kinds. That is special type of quadrilateral. Right now. So what are special type of quadrilaterals? Let us discuss. Actually, students, for to draw a quadrilateral, we use generally 5 measurements in our work. Is there any quadrilateral in which only less than 5 number of measurements are available and we have to draw the quadrilateral? Is this possible? So let us discuss. So students, if it is given that to construct a quadrilateral, that is special type of quadrilateral that is known as square, to construct a square of side 6 centimeter, you just see here only one measurement is given, and you know that out of we need 5 measurements to draw a quadrilateral, and here only one is given. Then how can we construct it? So here we can see that actually we have many more details with us, because the figure is a special type of quadrilateral, namely a square, and all the angles of a square all the angles of a square are right angle or 90 degree, and all the sides are equal. If one of the side is 6 centimeter, it means all the sides are length 6 centimeter, and all the measurements of all angle are same, that is right angle or 90 degree. Right now, so let us draw. So for this, let us draw a rough sketch of the figure. That is, if it is a square means, all the sides are same, here. A, B, C, D are of same length, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and all the angles are same, right angle or 90 degree. So at first we will take the base, which is 6 centimeter, and हम पहले क्या करेंगे, एक लाइन सेगमेंट ले जाएंगे यहाँ, and after taking a line segment we just cut out 6 centimeter here. So actually just I am measuring 6 centimeter, and after that, after measuring 6 centimeter, here it is 6 centimeter. Just wait. It is 6 centimeter right now, and name it BC. Now we have to draw 90 degree at B and again 90 degree at C. And you know how to draw 90 degree? We have to just bisect 60 degree and 120 degree. So at first here we have to draw 90 degree. So at first the first arc will be 60 degree, the second arc will be 120 degree. Here the second arc will be 120 degree. Next let us bisect 60 degree and 120 degree, so that we'll get 90 degree. And now just extend the lines. Right now again we'll draw a 90 degree here at point C. Yeah. 60, again 120. If we divide 60 and 120, then we'll get 90. Here it is 90 degree. So let us join these 2 points. Here both the angles are 90 degree. You can see that here it is also 90 degree, and again it is also 90 degree. Now you can see AB is equal to 6 centimeter, also CD is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we'll take an arc of 6 centimeter and cut out from there. Here it is 6 centimeter, and we just again we'll cut here 6 centimeter. Now we'll find the 2 point A and D. Now let us join A and D so that we'll get the required square right now. So students, now you can see there H I have already joined these 2 point A and D, so that we'll get the required square of side 6 centimeter is. Here it is also 6 centimeter, it is also 6 centimeter, all the sides are 6 centimeter, and all the angles will be 90 degree right now. So students, let us discuss another number, that is another way of constructing. let us construct a rhombus. Here it is, the question is construct a rhombus where the two diagonals are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Actually rhombus means also what all the sides are equal. In case of a rhombus, all the sides are same. And also one thing is there, the diagonal bisect each other. The two diagonal bisect each other. rhombus में क्या होता है, दोनों diagonal एक दूसरे को bisect करते हैं. Second, thirdly, the two diagonal perpendicularly bisect each other. It means जब दोनों डायगोनल एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं तो वहाँ 90 डिग्री में परपेंडिकुलरली बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. सो दैट यहाँ हम कुछ नए वे में करेंगे, कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे. इसके लिए पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें, ये पहले रोम्बस ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे उसके बारे में मैं बता दूंगा. जस्ट एक साइड है, अनदर साइड इज देयर, बिकॉज ऑल द साइड्स आर सेम. Here it will be a rhombus, all the sides are same, and here it is diagonal, another diagonal is there right now. So here let us it be A B C D. One of the diagonal is 6 centimeter, another one is 8 centimeter right now. Actually, you know, the diagonal bisect each other. It means if the point of intersection is O, then AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. So that first of all we will take base as 8 centimeter and we will bisect it to find the midpoint, so that another diagonal will pass through this point. And now perpendicularly bisect each other, so that we will draw a 90 degree here and cut 3 centimeter, because if it is bisect 6 centimeter then each part will have 3 centimeter, so that next time we will bisect it. So let's draw. At first we will draw a line segment. Next cut 8 centimeter from there. Let us cut 8 centimeter to find the first diagonal. Here it is 8 centimeter, so I'll cut here. So students, just wait. It is 8 centimeter. I'll just write BD here. BD diagonal, and I will bisect BD to find the midpoint of BD, so that AC diagonal we passes through the point. How can we bisect a line segment? Just take a more than half arc, and from both the side, this side also. Now if we join these 2 points, then we will get the midpoint. Let us join this for the second diagonal AC right now. Let us join these 2 points. This will be the second diagonal AC. So let us find point A and point C. You know, 6 centimeter is divided into 2 parts, then each parts will be 3 centimeter. So let us take an arc of 3 centimeter, and now we'll mark here point 3 centimeter. Again we will mark here another point, it is also 3 centimeter. Now one of the point will be A, another point will be C. Now AC is equal to 6 centimeter, BD is equal to 8 centimeter right now. Now what we have to do, we have to just join AB, BC, CD and AD right now. So let us join. So students, in this way you can join the points like AB, BC, CD and AD. Now our rhombus is construction of rhombus is completed, and you can see there all the sides of equal length. Here AC is equal to 6 centimeter and BD is equal to 8 centimeter right now. If two diagonals are given there, then in this way you can construct a rhombus right now. So students, here are the special type of quadrilaterals just we have learned, and in this way we can construct the special quadrilaterals. But today this much. The next class we will discuss about the next.